Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have a ginormous Temu haul. And this is all things that just keeps accumulating by a great sale. So keep an eye out for the prices. They're going to be popping up. But we're going to start off with all of these boxes. Let's get into it. Okay, so first item we have here. Now, all of these items that I got was an amazing deal. I just kept getting the sales pop up. I get the text messages that get sent to me, and they pop up with different sales. Oh, styrofoam bowls. Oh, yay. So first is a resin figurine, but it's supposed to look like a rubber duck. And it's Jason. I absolutely love these. These started popping up on my Temu. I think actually there's another one here, and I believe there's a few more coming as well. But this is a Jason horror duck, and it is like a hard duck. It's out of resin. That is awesome, and I love the paint job on it. Oh, I can't wait to display those. I'm pretty sure this one is another one. Yes, it is. So this is the Freddy duck that goes with it. And this one's actually a little bit bigger. Just a little bit. But this one's the Freddy duck. Now, I wish they would have painted his scars a little like a different color or a different shade, but honestly I still like it. It has his hat there, and they didn't put any claws on him either, so they could have done that one better, but I like them both regardless. Those are so cool, and again, it's made out of resin. It's very sturdy. That is awesome. I can't wait to add more of these to the collection. That's going to be a fascinating collection. Stay tuned for that. Next item we have in our box here. Oh, now this I got for a great deal yet again. A lot of these things are going to be great deals. Now this came with its own hooks and its bowl. I'll show you what it is, but just a second. Now these are wooden crochet hooks. I believe it's a set of like 12 of them or 9 of them. All different sizes there. You never have too many crochet hooks. I've figured that one out. They always go missing. And this is a yarn bowl. So you can string your yarn through here and it just spins in the bowl, and then you can do your projects this way. Now I got this unfinished because I want to paint it. I feel like this would be a great craft project before I actually get to use it. But it is nice and smooth. It's still sanded, but it's really nice. And it's like really thick wood as well. I can't wait to do something with that. Okay, next box we have. They're really nicely packaged, everything that's came so far, so that's really great. Ooh, this is also for myself. Now, this came up for a great deal, but I have had this in my cart and out of my cart about 12 different times because I like it so much, but I find it so creepy. And even in real life, it is the same thing. It is a very sturdy resin figurine, but it is a fairy. But her face is just so creepy to me. But I had to get it because of the amazing deal that it popped up as, and I've been contemplating it for about a year now, so now she's mine. I like the creepy aspect to things sometimes. fairy sitting on some rocks. That is very nice. And I like the bright wings of her, like the bright colors on her wings. That is amazing. I think we're actually going to put her right there. Okay, next is a box item again, but you can see what this one is. Okay, so this is actually, it does 2 in 1. I only bought it for the one, but it came up for a great deal. This advertised as a like blower to blow out dust out of your computer or blow out dust from little crevices and stuff. But this is actually a 2-way vacuum cleaner as well as a blower. Let's get this out of the packaging. Oh, that's actually awesome. I'll actually use it as both, depending on the project I need it for. It just screws in, but this filter is, because there's a rubber stopper, which is actually really good, so that nothing gets into it. It's really smart. Yep, and locks on. Actually, that's pretty awesome. And how do you switch it to the suction or blowing from the suction? Now, the instructions are in every language, but the one I need them apparently. I'll have to tinker with that a little bit later, but that is really cool. And you can there's different hoses and attachments. So if you wanted to do like your keyboard or you wanted to vacuum that out, just vacuum that out. There's also a tube attachment and another brush. And also I think these ones are blowing, this one is a blowing tool to blow out the dust. And then there's a little brush as well. That is awesome. And for the price I got it for, that's really awesome. That's going to be great for tidy little messes or anything, especially with kids around. You never know what's going to happen, especially with goldfish. Okay, moving on to things that are not in boxes, but still great deals. Now this I got for myself, obviously. Now the season's about to be out of this, but that's okay. Oh, I love it. This is a sweater, and I got a size extra large. But it has like the patterned material on it. It's like stitched. Now it is a thinner sweater, so actually it's nice for now. And it says Stars Hollow from Gilmore Girls. That is awesome. That looks so comfy, and I'm so glad that it comes with a pocket and a hood. It's my favorite. Okay, and now this is going to need some TLC. It is a tin sign for myself, and it is Alice in Wonderland. But it didn't come with the cardboard this time, so I don't know if it's just random or they're trying to step up their game. I don't know, but I have to bend that one back into shape. But that's going to go on the tin sign wall somewhere. But I thought that was really awesome because I love the old school classic Alice in Wonderland as well as the new one. I love them both. Okay, and next was something I threw in as an Easter surprise for my boys because it came out for a really great deal. Okay, they smell like paint, or bubble gum. Like the artificial bubble gum. They're still going to like them. They're just kind of stinky. Maybe I'll give them a wash beforehand. But they're like a fidget toy that you can squeeze the carrot and a bunny pops up. And I got 2 of those. One is pink and one is yellow. Or white. Thought it was yellow. I can see why these are attractive to kids. I like them. Again, they smell like the artificial bubble gum. I don't know why. So, I don't know if they're supposed to be scented. Okay, and next is actually another Easter item, but for my younger son. Now, he loves Minecraft. So I figured that it's a 3D printed skeleton. I thought he would really like that. And he is articulable, kind of. And he dances. I thought he was really going to like that. So that's an extra thing to throw in for my younger son for Easter. Okay, and next is actually a personalized gift for my husband. This is technically an early Father's Day gift, but it comes on a necklace like a normal, and it's a dog chain, but it is personalized. So it does say best G-pop ever, and then our granddaughter's name. And I thought that this was awesome, and it's actually like engraved, not just like a sticker thrown on. He has one for our kids as well, and now he has one for his granddaughter. So I thought that that was going to be a cute little personalized gift, and for the price of it, it really wasn't that bad to get it personalized and everything, and you could say whatever you wanted on it. So if you ever need a quick gift idea, that would be something, because that is really cheap and very thoughtful. Okay, and next is a pin for my husband. And it is Super Mario, and he's on a race car. This is freaking awesome. I believe my husband already has one. I believe he has Yoshi. I could be wrong. I'll have to double check that with him. But it is an enamel pin, and it has the double backing so that it doesn't fall or twist around on your board. That is really awesome. Just a few more items here. Actually, one more item, technically, but it has 7 items, or 6. Now, I got this because, again, it came up on a great deal, but it's a 6-piece set, and this is to go with my son's birthday gift. So, this is an enamel pin set, and it is, what is this show called? Adventure Time? Sorry, brain fart. But it has all the main characters. And they're actually pretty decently sized. I honestly thought that the pins would be a little bit smaller than this. But that's okay. He's gonna love them. And it came as a 6-piece set. So I figured that he was gonna really enjoy that for his birthday. And there you have our large Temu haul today. What did you think of everything? I actually got so many cool things like resin ornaments and stuff. I'm shocked. And for the prices I paid for these things, I'm going to continue to use Temu probably for the rest of my life because it's such amazing prices. If you'd like to join up for Temu and you never have before, click the link that's in my description box. That link could get you up to $100 off when you first sign up in coupons. I'm not sponsored by Temu by any means. This is all on my own dime. Not that it's much dimes, but it's all on my own dime. If you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions or anything, leave them in the comments box below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye.